Come test drive the 2018 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.